So when you break it down, your LCD, 3x, oops, wrong thing. 3x and 5y, they don't have any common factors. So my LCD will just be 3x and 5y. So when you multiply them together, we get 15xy as my LCD. That's my LCD. So my first fraction, we're multiplying that one by 5y. And then the second fraction, you're multiplying that by 3x. So that gives me 15xy in my denominator. That's my LCD. And then just go across. Multiply 7 times 5y, put that on the roof, plus 2 times 3x. And see what you get. So 7 times 5y would be 35y. And 2 times 3x is 6x. And that would be your final answer. So we only have one question left. I'm not sure why we left it for today, but we can knock it out. And then you'll have the rest of the period to finish homework too. I have not given extra credit in a while, so I'm thinking about giving extra credit for those today if it's turned in completely done and you have to show your work. So our last question is on page 9, question G. Take a moment and copy this down. Factor that down, see what you get. Two numbers that multiply to negative 15 and add to positive 2. So my numbers will be a positive 5 and a negative 3. So when I write this fraction, I'm going to rewrite it. And this time I'm writing my denominator in factor form. So keeping in mind that my LCD has to have both. So I need to have an x plus 5 and an x minus 3. I only need to multiply one fraction. One fraction is missing both factors. So that means I only need to multiply this fraction by x plus 5. All right, so now we're going to write it. So my answer would have my LCD. And then just go straight across the roof and write what you see. 2x minus 7 times x plus 5. Now, because that's a negative, you have to remember you're multiplying by a negative 7. Go ahead and do that. Emma, can you get the door for me? Thank you. Thank you. So go ahead and distribute the negative 7. And then you combine your like terms. So when you combine your like terms, which is 2 minus 7, you get negative 5x minus 35. And that would be your final answer. So that's everything that's going to be on your test next week. So everyone take out homework 2. Use the rest of the class period to finish that out. Homework 2 is due Monday, but I am giving extra credit for it today.